I ended up losing money today, but this morning was still one of my best trading days yet as I followed the majority of my rules. For a second day in a row, I waited well beyond the 30-minute wait period. My first trade came at 10:09 this morning, an hour and a half after the opening bell, and again while I ended the day in red, my emotions remained in check and processes were followed. I traded both Google and Meta first, which did stop out a few times, but like yesterday, the price movements and subsequent decisions after never felt rushed or desperate. Calm was once again the feeling all morning. Most importantly, though, as my positions continued in the red, while I was hoping to recover and let today be my third green day in a row, the urge to make the money back did not have a significant pull on me. From my first trade until the last, my focus remained on discipline and protecting my capital instead of chasing profits. Today's discipline score came in at an 8.5 with perfect scores in wait time, position sizing and count, stop loss and emotional control, and walk away discipline. Points came off for adding a third position, this time in SPY, buying a single call option, averaging down in both Meta and Google once or twice, and exceeding my $250 maximum daily loss. To be completely transparent, after Google and Meta were stopped out a third time, I was already sitting at approximately $250 in realized losses. But by this time, I was already in SPY, was looking at only $25 in unrealized losses, and liked what the charts were showing. Farther, my stop losses on the shares were definitely in place, and I was willing to risk the entire $288 premium I paid for the single call option, so I'd made a decision to stay in and let it play out. Whether that was the right decision or not is up for debate, but it did mean I knowingly exceeded one of my rules, and my score reflects it. Even though today was a red day financially, I still consider it a major success. Today I was completely comfortable accepting a loss. Today there was no panic, no revenge trading, and no emotional spiral. Today I simply followed my plan, accepted the outcome, and moved on. And what's best, my overall journey score is now averaging above 7, which feels like a significant milestone. Today was one of the first days I didn't feel like a reckless beginner pretending to be a day trader. Though I'm far from being an expert, today felt professional. It felt professional because for the first time, having a negative day became far less important than protecting my capital, which is now guaranteed to be there tomorrow. Ever since I started trading and well before starting this project, I'd measure myself entirely by my daily P&L, even when all the training podcasts and videos I was and continue listening to would remind me that that's an unhealthy and unpractical approach, always reminding me that it's entirely about managing risk and following processes. While this always made sense, until today I never truly understood it. Today was a solid lesson proving that what I've been hearing all along simply couldn't be more true. I'm thrilled with today's outcome and cannot wait for tomorrow. I'll see you tomorrow after the close.